We saw the Ghanaian cedi hitting a record low on Friday. What is the likelihood of it performing this week towards the end of the month?
I think what the Bank of Ghana is doing is to, currently tighten the monetary policy and also alter the commercial banks' required reserves, and also introduce several bonds on the market in order to shore up the liquidity that is in the system. And this is actually going to help stabilize the cedi. We've actually seen that this is actually working. If you look at the pace of depreciation of the cedi, it has moderated in recent weeks as compared to earlier months. This month alone, it has only lost just about 1.1% compared to last month of about 4.2%. So we can see an improvement in what Bank of Ghana is doing.
But you're talking it may have moderated in the recent weeks, but the cedi has traditionally been one of the strongest currencies against the dollar. This year alone, it is down 16%. What is happening?
Yeah, what's happening there are a number of factors. The increased dollarization that is characterized by a tendency for businesses to sell their goods and services in foreign currency is partly to blame for this. And Bank of Ghana is also fighting hard to do this. And you also see that forex bureaus are currently, trading large volumes of currency, and that is not acceptable. They are not supposed to do that. They are now accepting deposits just like the banks, and also trading large volumes of foreign currency. Then that is also contributing to the heavy declines in the currency.
Is that dollarization a serious concern right now? Malawi, for instance, has forced a de-dollarization. Is this something Ghana should consider?
Yeah, the Bank of Ghana is seriously considering it. Currently, they've set up a committee that is looking into it, and a lot of guys are going ahead. We've seen several companies that have come out to speak against it, but I think they'll have to take a wild stand on this issue, to help stabilize the cedi.
We've seen a recent trend towards the oversubscription of government bonds. What are you reading in these trends?
Yeah, it's part of the measures to shore up excess liquidity in the system. The Bank of Ghana has actually shored up about 1.2 billion Ghana cedis to date in a move to do that. And actually, this is also affecting the stock market, because you see that a lot of funds are actually going onto the money market. Currently, the 91 Treasury bill rate is about 22.44%, and as compared to last year of just about 9%. So you see that it's looking very attractive on the money market.
But on the securities exchange side of things, you're seeing a bit of a strain in volumes. Is that so? Yeah,
that's a strain in volume. We've seen last year in June, we traded about 19.4 million Ghana cedis. But this year, in June, we've just done 6 million. That's about 68% decline. So you can see the trend that where the monies are currently shifting to. Most of them are going to the money market instruments.
What are your projections for the end of the last week of the month for the stock market?
I think we'll continue to see declines in some of the stocks, but we'll see heavy trading in Ghana Commercial Bank, GCB, and Guinness Ghana Limited. Those are the stocks to watch out for.